When the gate drops and every millisecond counts, you need a machine that won't let you down. The 2026 Kawasaki KX450 is here to prove it's still a force to be reckoned with on the motocross track. This is Next Gen Reviews, bringing you the dirt on what really matters. Design. The 2026 KX450 screams race-ready from every angle. Kawasaki's signature lime green pops against the aggressive bodywork designed for optimal ergonomics and control. The slim profile allows riders to move freely during aggressive riding, while the flatter seat and tank junction improve rider connection to the bike. The aluminum perimeter frame is both lightweight and incredibly rigid, translating every input directly to the rear wheel. Every component placement serves a purpose. This is pure function meeting fierce style. Performance. The 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled four-stroke engine is an absolute powerhouse. Kawasaki has refined the power delivery to be explosive yet controllable, with strong low-end grunt that transitions seamlessly into screaming top-end power. The electric start fires up instantly, eliminating pre-race stress. The Showa suspension front and rear is fully adjustable and soaks up the gnarliest whoops and jumps with confidence. The hydraulic clutch provides consistent feel lap after lap, and the braking system delivers precise stopping power when you're charging into corners. The handling is razor-sharp, responding instantly to rider input whether you're railing berms or navigating tight technical sections. Features and technology. The 2026 model includes launch control to help nail those critical starts. The Kawasaki traction control system can be adjusted on the fly to match track conditions. The DFI fuel injection is mapped for maximum performance and ensures consistent power delivery. The Rental Fat Bar handlebars provide excellent control, and the DID Dirtstar rims are built to withstand serious abuse. The air filter access is tool-free for quick maintenance between motos. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KX450 continues to be a championship-caliber machine for serious riders. Are you Team Green? Drop your race stories in the comments, hit that like button if this fired you up, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more high-octane content. Keep the rubber side down.